ceramic coating is exactly what I want to talk to you about today. So what exactly is a ceramic coating? As you know, there are a lot of ways you can protect your car's paint. There are things like waxes and sealants, but none of those come anywhere close to protecting your car's paint like a ceramic coating. What is a ceramic coating? It's an industrial-grade chemical polymer made with silica dioxide that acts as a shield to your car's paint. It's a semi-permanent layer that actually bonds to the car's paint to help protect your paint from anything harmful, things like oxidation, sun damage, water spots, bugs, and regular wear and tear. A ceramic coating takes the beating from all these things so that your car doesn't have to. A ceramic coating can be applied to all painted surfaces, the rims, and even the glass. What are some benefits of a ceramic coating? As I said first, it protects your car from damaging UV rays. You know how sunlight here is super harsh and makes the car look all dull and faded. Ceramic coating prevents this damage from the sun. Second, it also protects from all kinds of things like chemical stains, bird droppings, and even acid rain. Third, it's long-lasting. Ceramic coating can protect your car between 3 to 10 years. No other kind of protection lasts that long. Fourth, you only need to apply it once during that time. It's not like other types of protection that you have to apply every 3 months. Fifth, it creates a deep gloss and mirror finish on your car that other forms of protection just can't do. It looks glossy, reflective, just beautiful. Last, ceramic coating is extremely hydrophobic, which means it repels water really well. When a ceramic coating is applied, dirt, grime, and mud have a hard time sticking to your car's paint, making it much easier to clean. Because of the easy maintenance, you can actually enjoy washing your ride. There are a lot of misconceptions around ceramic coatings, so I want to explain some things that it doesn't do. First, it doesn't eliminate scratches and swirl marks or even rock chips. It does provide a certain level of scratch resistance, but it's not meant to be a substitute for paint protection film or even clear bond. Second, it doesn't eliminate water spots. If your car gets wet and you don't wipe it clean, the water evaporates and leaves behind water spots. Ceramic coating doesn't stop this from happening, but it can prevent it because of its hydrophobic properties. Third, a ceramic coating doesn't mean you don't have to wash your car. Ceramic coating isn't a magical potion that can keep your car clean no matter what. So you still have to perform regular maintenance. Just like anything in life, in order to keep something in good condition, you must maintain it regularly. I also want to tell you that anyone can buy some type of ceramic coating and put it on, but trust me, most DIY ceramic coatings usually don't offer the level of protection or durability that a professional grade coating that your car would have if it was put on by a certified technician. Doing it the right way is the only way we know how, and it's really long, detailed process. But in the end, the rewards are huge and your car will look absolutely incredible. When you get your car ceramic coated by us, we'll register your warranty with SystemX so you don't have to worry about it. We'll also register the ceramic coating under CarFax, which will benefit you in 2 ways if you ever decide to sell your car. First, when we register the warranty with CarFax, the ceramic coating detail done on the vehicle will show when someone looks up your VIN number, adding more value to your asset. You will also get some reading material that tells you everything you want to know about the ceramic coating. If you are in the market for a ceramic coating and you need more information, give us a call or send us an email. We'll help guide you to the right ceramic coating detail that is suited for your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.